A lot of people, they have read about it, they have heard about it, they have seen the movie, but there is something in every person. Without you implementing the ideas that have been said, nothing works. You may have applied it for once and twice, but you need a mentor or a coach by which you could actually implement all the ideas, and you need a backup of a group. So basically, I am joining because I felt that this may be it. I'm going by intuition again. I'm not going by the marketing techniques that maybe I used or not have used. But I feel that this is well priced and should be availed of. That's what I feel. All the best. I felt nice about the today's seminar. It was wonderful. There is no push around about buying the course or attending the workshop. It was a plain offer, and I felt the offer was good. That's it. It was a good seminar.